Okay, let me, I'm sorry, Jesse. This is Jesse Jonas. He's a person that's out here. We're open Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. He's here at that time. And this is Mike Beam. Mike Beam is one of our commissioners, and Mike has taken the responsibility of overseeing the collection station and the recycling center. It takes a little bit off of, well, a whole lot off of me. And so this is the reason, and Mike's been out here helping Jesse and trying to get things done. So I'll turn it over to the two of y'all to explain what we've got here.
Well, put the cardboard in here. Then when we've got the cardboard in there, well,
what it does is this is actually laying on its side. This would be standing up this way, and it smashes it all down. I mean, it would be, you know, half that trailer full, but it smashes to this amount right here. And after it smashes it, then these wires on it, it ties it up, and then as it releases just a little bit, well, it makes these things so tight. I mean, it's like a piano string. I mean, it's really, really tight. And it works the same way with bottles. Well, all the different kinds of stuff that you would recycle will be done the same way. It will be put into bales, like they call it bales, and then we'd be able to set it on these deals, and then we can just pick it up with a machine and stack it or put it on the truck to haul it off and however it works.
Mike, can you build wheels?
That I couldn't tell you, to be honest. It's heavy. It's very, very heavy. I couldn't tell you what it weighs. But it's got big old iron pieces, and it's got that big hydraulic rod, and it just smashes it down. And as people bring Jesse boxes, he puts it in there and he keeps it, you know, and then there's a certain level that's as much as you can put in there, and that's when they.
It'll cut off by itself when the bale's full. Then all I do is open this up here and put those wires in there and tie it, then it kick it out.
And we hope to apply for another grant so maybe we can extend our building and make it where it'd be more convenient for the public to bring stuff. I visited a couple of other places. Three Rivers has one it's only open on the weekend, on Saturday morning, but they have a kind of a neat deal over there. It is manned by volunteers, the garden club, the booster club, and everybody takes a weekend, and the city actually pays them like $100 a month or so, or you know, for their month to do that, and everybody does a month. And there's like the day I went there was a couple ladies there from the Altar Society from the church. And it was their month to do it. And they have their shed is bigger, and they have big boxes about the size of this bale, and they've got signs above it. It's a very simple project. It's not no big elaborate nothing, but it's, you know, the people come, and like the lady says, it takes a while for people to get the understanding of what to do and what they can bring and that kind of stuff. But they have big labels on above the containers, and it's under a shed, and it has metal cans, aluminum cans, paper, just all the different things that they do. And that's something that we're trying to, you know, we've got the grant for this machine here and this building, and you know, it's going to be something we're going to try to keep adding to it as we can get money, you know, through grants and stuff like that. We'll try to keep doing more and more, and that's the reason for the high school kids and whatever, to try to get younger people involved. I mean, that's people old and hard-headed like myself and Judge and Stormy. I mean, we're set in our ways, and we're kind of, but if you start with the young people and the kids at the school and start this recycling deal, it's good for the environment. I mean, that's the deal. I mean, there's not a money-making part to it, but it's good for the country in general, you know. So there's a lot of different things that can be recycled. You know, we're kind of limited right now for what we have. Right now we're taking cardboard and plastic bottles. And that's another thing too, the plastic bottles, there's about 2 or 3 different kinds of bottles. If you'll, and I'm not exactly sure how it works, but if you turn the bottle over and look, there's numbers on the bottom of it. And like those people in Three Rivers, they have, I think it's milk bottles is one, and then there's clear bottles, and then there's like 3 different kinds. But I mean, they collect almost any kind of bottle. I mean, I saw, you know, from milk, from soap that you wash clothes with, soda water bottles. I mean, but they kind of have a deal that they have to sort them out because you can't mix the two. But like I said, we've got different ideas about how we're going to try to do some stuff around here. Just depending on, I think the judge said in March sometime we can apply for another grant, and I don't know how long it'll take and see if we get any response or what we can do with it. But in the meantime, we're trying to think of some other ways we can do some things to kind of get it started where it's not going to cost the county a bunch of money and that kind of stuff, because, well, money is money right now and we're doing what we can do. But you know, if we can get another grant, it'll just speed things along a lot faster.
How much money is being